Alright, hey guys, what's up? We're here again on Yardmints. We're doing something a little different again today.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a miniature vlog, so a mini vlog. Yeah,
Okay.
we're gonna kind of take you on the road with us today. Where are we going today?
So we are going to a wedding expo in it will be held at the Pegasus Hotel, right? So that's where we're going to check out, different sellers and what is available out there, what we can get. They having any price?
I think they might have prizes and surprises. I don't really know,
Yeah.
but we'll see. So yeah, it's actually called Wedding Spectacular. This is Wedding Spectacular 2018.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna go and check it out. We told you that we'd take you along with us for a few wedding stuff. So this is one of the things that we're gonna take you along with.
Yes.
So stay tuned if you want to see more of what we're doing today.
Stay tuned.
Alright, so we have to make a pit stop at Tasty because we're hungry.
So yeah, made a Tasty patty stop. Tasty is our favorite patty brand.
How are you talking right now, eating? But yeah, we made a little pit stop because we're hungry. We don't really know.
This is a cheese patty.
I have cheese patty too. And a cocoa bread. Showing us all the cheese patty.
This is hot. The best time for have a Tasty patty is when it's really hot. Cold patty no work at all. You see me?
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
So we made a quick stop before we go to the expo. Because we were hungry.
Okay, already.
Oh, I said that again.
He always does that, man. Always.
So yeah, wedding expo.
Yeah, so we just came back out of the wedding expo. It was at the Jamaica Pegasus, as we said.
Yep.
Entry fee was
$1,000.
but if you are a bride, you could pre-register online at their, I think it's called Wedding Spectacular. You can find it on Facebook and you can click their link and you register online and brides get in free. They did say that brides were supposed to get a gift basket or something, like gift bag with goodies, but
Probably
didn't get any of that. But I feel like if you're registered, you're supposed to get package. It's different if you say, okay, first 10 people get a whatever.
Right, that's true.
But anyway, never get that. But yeah, we went in and as we're going, it's like people was bombarding us.
Yo.
Jamaica Observer was like, yes, if you want to take if you want to send us some of your pictures and we can do a write up on it and whatever.
That'll be nice.
So it would be nice. I never know that you just kind of send it in, but then how do you know if you make it or not?
Well, I guess you just wait until the Sunday Glean or whatever come out.
I guess I will call you and contact you just to get details of the
I would want that. I can frame it.
Yeah, that would be cool actually.
Yeah.
And then when we went inside, we saw some decor. I think
a lot of decor.
A lot of decor persons are there.
Decor is like all over the place.
Yeah, a lot of decor. And first one we saw was Petals and Promises. They also do dresses. So they were there, and then you have some more decor persons again. You have makeup artists. I saw the face maid. She actually did my makeup for graduation. Yeah, she did.
Okay.
Daniel, big up yourself if you're watching. Who else did we saw? We saw photographers. A lot of photographers.
Stars were there.
Yeah.
What else?
With our dresses, there was a Sandy's collections. She did like bridesmaid dresses.
Okay, right.
A lot of other dresses too.
Right. And novelties were there as well. Like
yes,
you could get like
your souvenirs for your wedding and stuff like that. Hangers,
glass,
people who print
Mr.
stuff.
Mrs.
Yeah, people who print stuff on
The
your
paper
t-shirts.
petal lady was there as well.
Pop Floor, she was there too. Yes, Pop Floor was there. I love her stuff. She's a really nice person too.
Yeah, she
So
was
check
there.
her out.
Yeah.
Pop Floor on Instagram.
Even like I saw this lady was like doing like bath suit and stuff like you want.
Oh yeah, swimsuits for your honeymoon or whatever. Yeah, she does custom.
Oscar went to the man line. She was like, oh, whatever, you know, like come on, men need something too.
She's saying that
mean?
men are not really into really buying trunks. You know, a lot of men just wear them underpants or boxer brief or whatever.
Sometimes, I mean, this new age thing, you know, everybody want, you know, you want
not
your
everybody.
matchy and
He will buy.
Yeah, I would buy bath trunks or you know shorts and stuff, matchy. You know, you would have
Yeah,
bath
but maybe it's
suit
not
or.
feasible for her. Maybe she know mostly women will buy.
Okay.
But yeah, she was there for all the honeymoon.
It's a niche.
You know, needs and whatever.
Yeah.
In terms of swimwear, we had people doing massages too.
Yes.
Yeah, some hotels. I think
massage.
the I don't know if it's the Courtly group or that's what
Adam
it's
and
called.
Eve. Adam and Eve was there.
Yeah, the Courtly group was there.
As well, right.
Doing massages and telling about their different wedding packages. And Adam and Eve was there.
Yes.
They were giving massages too.
Yes, they were.
There was a bar service there too. I don't remember the name right now, but bar service was there.
Bar services.
And of course they had every hour on the hour they had a fashion show.
Right, with wedding dresses.
Right, highlighting the different boutiques wedding dresses.
Right.
The ones that we saw were from La Belle Bridal, Sweetest Weddings, and another one that I don't remember the name, but you'll see clips of them. I feel like the people the woman them could have like a more vibe though. When them walk, them could have a little
like
vibe.
one or two female were like giving a little vibe, but not all of them. We were like, I'm like, come on, you know, it's supposed to promote wedding, like it's a happy, you know, that day.
But I mean, there were amateur people because when you register for the bridal show itself, they do ask you if you'd like to, you know, come and model some dresses and so forth. So it was amateur people. It's not like real models or anything like that. What I mean, they could have enjoyed themselves to me. You know, if me to go up them with a bare skin, I skin my teeth. But it was a cool experience. Some of our friends came to celebrate with us. Well, not celebrate, but came to share in this experience with us too. Right, Shanique was there and Samantha was there. So we want to thank them for coming out with us as well.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, so I don't know where we're going to go from here, but you know, this may be goodbye or maybe see you later, but
I think this is goodbye though.
It's goodbye?
Maybe, I don't know.
We'll see. But if it is goodbye, thank you so much for watching this different kind of video. It's a vlog. So if you like these videos, give us a thumbs up, comment down below so we can know if we should do more vlogs.
Big up
on
Yardmans.
Yes.
It's our wedding. It's the wedding.
He's always
season.
cutting me. You see?
It is
always
wedding season. So
always
these things I want to see what's out there, see what's going on, see what's available, see what's affordable, and just try it out. For men, it's kind of like tedious, and it's like
wedding too.
It's like everything is about her, you know what I mean? Therefore, really, like you go and it just everything is about the woman, like woman, makeup for woman. There's nothing really much for men.
So you want them to do makeup for men?
I'm saying not makeup, but at least the only thing that I say that I would do is the massage, and then I say like appliances, like appliance trader.
Oh yeah, ATL was there. Forgot to mention ATL was there too.
Not much, but you know, washing machine and pot set. They were giving away stuff as well, like different booths were giving away stuff, but you have to like take pictures to enter, that kind of stuff, you know. And but most of the stuff is for women, you know what I mean? So as a man, you come and you're just there as a support to this, and she be like, honey, you like this? And you're like, yeah, it look nice. Not too much for the men, but still it's a fun experience. You learn and you grow, because you never know, one day you're gonna have a daughter, and yeah, the same thing. You have enough with, you know.
You gonna have a daughter one day?
Well, maybe. I don't know.
We do.
Huh?
We do. Anyway, we ramble.
on to the next things. Again, big up your admins.
Yeah, big up your admins.
Yeah, man, on to
Big
the
up
next
Sean
thing.
and Debbie. Here come the Henrys.
Here come the
2018.
Henrys,
2K18.
2K18.
Yes. So if you stay tuned, you will see other things, other videos, other wedding stuff that we have in store. If you guys have any suggestions of wedding videos that you want us to do in terms of the process, where we got certain things from, you can let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in our next vlog or video or season 4.
This is the admins.
Yeah,
Sean and Debbie.
Bye, guys.
Bye.